All right. So I got my legendary fade here.
Everyone is
Legendary.
I want to throw grenades. I want to throw grenades.
He wants
Bro.
to throw grenades.
They actually put their thing in their name?
What a bunch of loose dweebs.
Meow.
It wouldn't
Meow.
even be meow. It would just be the fucking :3.
Huh.
Oh yeah. That's cute.
Okay. Okay.
And I would just,
That
I
level
wouldn't-
52 breach scares me a little bit.
yeah. Well, be prepared because we're gonna shit on him anyway.
attackers win.
Bruh.
Let me see if I can pull up my DDoS tracker. DDoS his ass. Three wins.
You're not allowed to have smokes.
I just opened my Spotify and the first thing I see is Mickey's emo SpongeBob profile picture.
What's wrong with it?
It's not that. Nothing's wrong with it. I'm just
Bro.
I can't be emo SpongeBob?
no.
He's right next to you.
One enemy remaining.
Thanks for the
Down,
acute
B.
observation.
My bad, huh?
Yes.
Sheriff, where? Where?
Right here.
Oh, dude.
Raise.
I sprinted faster than Sonic, bro. Bro, I got slammed.
What the
What the fuck?
I think he's art. No, I'm not. Wait, what?
What?
Huh?
I'm
You're tweaking, bro.
losing it,
Looking
bro.
off just in case.
I think he's art. No, I'm not.
Still waiting.
Am I saving? No?
Saving what?
He's saving that damn
Cuz
class.
saving freeze. He's trying to catch us.
Bye.
Bowie, run, Bowie.
I'm running.
He's art.
He's art. No, I'm not.
Someone.
Nice. Sky.
Like 40.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I want a soda. I want some soda.
Soda.
Oh yeah, bro. Some fucking root beer. Oh, what the fuck? She's in my back. Oh, 40. Oh, she's dead.
Link?
One enemy remaining.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh shit. Good work.
Fake.
fuck.
Oh, bro, I
My bad.
shot that so
He's
hard.
in the smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. I'm so. No, I shot that first. I see.
No, I shot
No,
that.
I shot that.
No, bro, no.
No,
I
no,
did.
no, I did.
No, I got
Damn,
it. I didn't
bro.
even look at it.
As soon as he was walking up, I put 140 to his dome.
Well, that's where you're wrong because with that distance, you would have killed him with a 156 headshot.
Bro,
So
that's
actually,
so bad.
I shot him, according to the VALORANT buy menu.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. She got slammed.
Good job.
Send her to the pound.
Make their your weapon.
I hear someone
should start
stomping
being-
on B.
You good there, Mickey?
No.
Whoa! What the fuck is that? Holy shit! Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Dude,
Bali, you
Bali, what
good,
happened?
bro!
What happened?
The biggest bug just flew in my face! What the heck? I don't know what it was, but it looked like a fly.
Let's end this.
Oh,
Christ.
got cascades in his room.
Dude, oh my god, this shit is-
Cascades.
What does that even mean? What is that?
Cicada?
Oh.
That's cute.
I gotta go back.
Cascades.